RRP Drone Innovation partnered with UAE's Microvia for Drone in a Box. The launch on 8 June 2024 was held at the company's headquarters, TTC, at RRP Drone Innovations Private Limited Industrial Area, Mahape, Navi Mumbai, where they announced a strategic partnership with UAE-based technology leader Microvia. The chairman of RRP Drones Innovation Private Limited and the CEO of Microvia, Enrique Plaza Bays, formally cemented the partnership by signing a memorandum of understanding. There was a live demonstration of the drone on the occasion showing its advanced features and capabilities. Dr. Harshvardhan Kamble expressed confidence that this collaboration will continue to take India's surveillance capabilities to new heights as it creates a new benchmark in drone technology. Dr. Harshdeep Kamble, IAS Principal Secretary of Industries Department, Government of Maharashtra, says that the kind of high-tech technology that it is bringing in would be very helpful for the border surveillance for crops and bigger cities.
Yes. First of all, let me congratulate RRP Drones company and also Microvia company for this joint collaboration, joint MOU which they have done for this drone in the box, which is the technology that is very well needed for a country like India. And most important part of that is the whole system is going to be assembled here in India, and that too in Maharashtra. So therefore, first of all, congratulations to them. And I'm very happy that Maharashtra state, which is a leading industrial state in India, there this event is happening, and the whole ecosystem about drones, about its assembly, also later on the manufacturing would happen here in Mumbai, here in Maharashtra. Particularly the kind of a high-tech technology that it is bringing in, which would be very helpful for our border surveillance, also for the crops, also for the bigger cities. I think this is very exciting project, and there are n number of possibilities which can come out of this. My congratulations again to both of you, and I hope that this shows a way to other entrepreneurs also to come forward and explore like this. Thank you.
Chairman of RRP Drones Innovation Private Limited, Rajendra Chandankar, says that the drone is poised to significantly enhance the efficiency of India's armed forces and civilian sectors.
तो ये जो है, मतलब ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये आज की तारीख में मेरे हिसाब से इट इज़ दी, मतलब इससे और बढ़िया टेक्नोलॉजी तो मैंने नहीं देखा आज की तारीख में। और इसका जो फ़ायदा होगा वो मतलब ऐसे होगा कि तो ये जो सर्वेलेंस, बॉर्डर सर्वेलेंस का तो मेन है, बट ये टेक्नोलॉजी को जब हम इंडिया में लेके आ रहे हैं असेंबली करके, एक तो पहले ही इसका जो प्राइस एडवांटेज हमको मिल चुका है कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेटिव होके भी कॉम्पिटिटिव है। तो मेरा ये सपना है कि ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी को मैं हर एक जगह पे ले जाऊँ जहाँ पर कमर्शियल हो, जहाँ पर मॉनिटरिंग हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आजकल मॉनिटरिंग का बहुत ही एक नीड हुआ है। इट इज़ नॉट अ लग्जरी नाउ, इट इज़ अ नीड। तो ये नीड को कैसे प्राइस कॉम्पिटिटिव बना के ये करना है, तो ये जो है एनरिकी का ये सपना है कि इसको हम हर एक दिशा में यूज़ करें। बॉर्डर प्रोटेक्शन तो एक पहला मुद्दा है हमारा।
प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है, इसके प्राइस के बारे में बताना।
ये प्रोडक्ट जो है ना, इसका प्राइस जो होता है कि ये कस्टमाइज़ होता है, ये वेरी होता है। ये कम से कम 1 करोड़ से चालू होके 3 करोड़ 4 करोड़ तक जाता है। वो उसका जो एप्लीकेशन होता है, किसी का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है। बट ये मकसद है अभी ये जो है। बट जैसे सर ने बताया कि जो गवर्नमेंट हमको इतना प्रोत्साहन दे रही है, हमको मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, हम यही ये जो कोऑपरेशन है, ये मतलब ये एक लीथल कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाए, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट है, और एक टेक्नोलॉजी का सपोर्ट है। हम लोग इसके बीच में जो कंड्यूट बनेंगे, तो हम लोग जो ये दिखाएंगे कि यहाँ पर बना के हम इसको जो है हर एक सेक्टर में यूज़ करेंगे, ना ही ड्रोन और सर्वेलेंस में नहीं, बट और यही प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि वही टेक्नोलॉजी रहेगी बट कमर्शियल डोमेन में भी, और प्राइस कॉम्पिटिटिव होगा। ये हमारा मेन टैगलाइन है, और ये हम करना चाह रहे हैं। मिलिट्री सर्विसेज, आई विल से दैट इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग रिक्वायरमेंट। मिलिट्री सर्विसेज आर गेटिंग बिगर, larger than life, I would say, and I feel that we are doing it more out of a passion also for the nation, because when we see the military people working at the borders, we really are, we feel ourselves, the entire world is so safe And that's why I feel, you know, when we build our surveillance products, we made it so simple that at the 19,000 feet above sea level, a Subedar is using our system. So the concept of bringing this surveillance is to make it user friendly also. Or we have proved this, and borders over Tawang, Likhaballi, and now at the Western Command, you know, we've supplied more. Similar concept I would bring for drone in a box over the borders, and we'll make it very competitive. You know, when we supplied surveillance products, we were almost 30% cheaper, and that is our Make in India. That is Make in India. That is where we're focusing on. That is where government is promoting us, and we are getting geared up for every move.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
The CEO of Microvia, Enrique Plaza Baez, says that we have a unique solution that cannot be compared with other projects around the world, and we believe that the technical strength that we have is exactly what India needs for achieving the amazing challenges in front of them.
Actually very happy for our collaboration with RRP Drones. This opens for Microvia a new opportunity to come to India. We feel that this alliance with such a technological company and group will provide us the proper partner to arrive to this amazing and big country. We are very proud of this collaboration because we feel that together we will be able to cover the necessities of a country like India with a high-level technological and industrial product such as a drone in the box. Microvia is a high-level technological company focused on the aerospace engineering and more in depth in the drone in the box solutions. We have a unique solution that cannot be compared with any other product around the world, and we believe that the technical strength that we have is exactly what India needs for achieve the amazing challenges they have in front of them for the surveillance of the long-distance infrastructures available in this country.
Video journalist Rahul Kadam with Pritika Korea, Awaaz Today, Navi Mumbai.